So I've been more and more intrigued by this lens over my Sigma 16 example due to its versatility, its size, its weight, and just trying to get the best image possible out of this 16-50 kit lens. So what I did was, over the last month, I've tasked myself to use only this lens for 1 full month and no other lens. And let me tell you, it's been quite a challenge. Reason being, the maximum aperture on this lens is only f4. So let's look at the pros as well as the cons. Okay, so let's start with the cons of this lens. First of all, it feels very cheap. It feels plastic, it rattles a lot. I'm not sure whether that's the optical steady shot that's rattling inside. It only has a 40.5mm filter thread. So in order for you to find little filters, sizes that can screw onto this thing's ND filters, it's not going to be very easy. This shot I'm actually shooting at shutter speed of 1/320 with an aperture of 3.5 just to keep my exposure balanced. It only has a maximum aperture of 3.5, and that's not going to be very good for low light. And without a doubt, it's not the sharpest lens. For video, I find it very decent, or decent enough. So for the pros on this lens, it's very portable and also very pocketable. On a little ZV-E10, you can easily fit it in a jacket pocket. It only comes in at 116 grams. The dimensions I'll put on the screen over here. It has optical image stabilization, which is excellent for video, which I think every lens should have. So the zoom range is equivalent from 24 to 75 full frame equivalent. So 24 is wide enough for your landscape photography or landscape videography, and your 75 would be decent enough for portrait shoots, a medium telephoto lens. And when zooming into 75 on a maximum of f5.6, you're able to get some decent out of focus backgrounds. Now, I'm sure there are plenty of videos out there that are showcasing this particular lens and what it's capable of. And also, with more planning and better lighting, you'll be able to squeeze out much more out of this lens than what I actually did. Okay, so that's my take on the 16-50 kit lens. I'm absolutely enjoying it, purely based on its versatility and the size. Let me know your thoughts. Are you guys actually using your kit lenses, or do you leave it in the box and one day when you decide to sell your kit, then it comes out of the box again? Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.